Number 21. Waves crash. It means when ocean waves hit something loudly.
Waves crash loudly against the rocky shore. Waves crash loudly against the rocky shore. At night, we heard the waves crash. At night, we heard the waves crash. The waves crash on the beach continuously. The waves crash on the beach continuously.
Number 22. Create awareness. It means to help people become informed about a topic.
We create awareness about environmental issues. We create awareness about environmental issues. Schools create awareness of healthy eating. Schools create awareness of healthy eating. Campaigns create awareness of public safety. Campaigns create awareness of public safety.
Number 23. Create a bad impression. It means to make someone think negatively about something.
Arriving late created a bad impression. Arriving late created a bad impression. His rude behavior created a bad impression. His rude behavior created a bad impression. Not dressing appropriately created a bad impression. Not dressing appropriately created a bad impression.
Number 24. Create opportunities. It means to make chances for advancement or progress.
Education can create opportunities for everyone. Education can create opportunities for everyone. Networking events help create opportunities for jobs. Networking events help create opportunities for jobs. She creates opportunities by volunteering. She creates opportunities by volunteering.
Number 25. Create problems. It means to cause difficulties or complications.
Ignoring advice often creates problems later. Ignoring advice often creates problems later. Miscommunication can create problems in work. Miscommunication can create problems in work. His carelessness created problems for the team. His carelessness created problems for the team.